A very good morning to one and all. So in today's topic, we are going to discuss about the next process of data pre-processing in machine learning algorithm. So what do you mean by this topic of data pre-processing? As a recap of the previous two sessions, we have just discussed about what is the basic of machine learning, what are the various types of machine learning, and what are the basic elements involved in machine learning process. So the data pre-processing involves various stages. Data pre-processing and overview. So data quality measures a multidimensional view, that is accuracy, completeness, consistency, some modified but some not dangling, timeliness, reliability, and interoperability. Major tasks being processing, data cleaning, data filling missing values, smooth noisy data, identify and remove outliners, and resolve inconsistencies. Data integration, integration of multiple databases, data cubes or files. Data reduction, dimensionality reduction, numerosity reduction, and data comparison. Data transformation and data discretization, normalization, concepts of hierarchy generation. Data cleaning. So what is the process of data cleaning? So data in real world is dirty. Lots of potentially incorrect data. That is example, instrument faulty, human or computer error, transmission error. Incomplete, lacking attributes values, lacking certain attributes of interest, or containing only aggregate data. Occupation is equal to missing data. Noisy, containing noise, errors, or outliers. Salary is equal to an error. Inconsistent, containing discrepancies in codes or names. Example, age or rating, discrepancy. Intentional, distinguish missing data. Can one as everyone's birthday. Data is not always available. Example, many tuples have no record values for several attributes such as customer income in sales data. Missing data may be due to equipment malfunction, inconsistent, data not entered, certain data may not be considered, not registered history or changes of data. Missing data may need to be inferred. Ignore the tuple, usually done when class label is missing. Fill in the missing values manually. Tedious but infeasible. Fill in automatically with a global constant, the attribute mean for all samples. The most probable value inference based on such as Bayesian formula and decision tree. Noise. Random error or variance is a measured variable. Incorrect attribute values may be due to faulty data, data entry problems, data transmission problems, technology limitations, inconsistency in naming convention. Other data patterns which require data cleaning, duplicate records, incomplete data, and inconsistent data. Binning. First sort data and partition into equal frequency bins. Then one can smooth by bins means smooth by bin gradient, smooth by bin boundaries, etc. Regression, smooth by fitting the data into regression functions. Clustering, detect and remove outliners. Combine computer and human inspection detects suspicious values and check by humans. Examples. Data discrepancy and detection, use metadata, mitigation and integration, data mitigation tools are available. What is the process of data integration? So data integration combines data from multiple sources into a coherent store. The schema integration example, a customer ID, integrate metadata from different sources, entity identification problem. Identify real-world entities from multiple data sources. Example, Bill Clinton is equal to William Clinton. Detecting and resolving data value conflicts for the same real-world entity, attribute values from different sources. Redundant data occur often when integration of multiple databases. Object identification, the same attribute or object may have different names in different data tables. Derivable values, one attribute may be derived attribute in another table, example, annual revenue. Redundant attributes may be able to detect by correlation analysis and covariance analysis. So this graph shows the various classification data and correlations between each different values and correlation analysis. What is data reduction? Data reduction, obtain a reduced representation of the data set that is much smaller in volume, but it produces the almost the same analytic results. Why data reduction? A database, our data warehouse may store terabyte of data. Complex data analysis may take a very long time to run or complete data sets. Data reduction strategies includes dimensionality reduction, numerosity reduction, and data comparison. Data reduction, dimensionality reduction includes cursor dimensionality, dimensionality reduction techniques, mapping of data, Fourier transforms, and wavelet transformations. The principal component analysis is one method of finding out the various data. Regression analysis, histograms are used also to find out the sampling data. The original data is compressed losslessly and we get the final data. And finally, data transformation, data discretion, a function that maps the entire set of values of a given attribute to a new set of replacement values, except old values are identified with one new rules. So this is called as data processing. Typical methods includes binning of data, histogram analysis, clustering analysis, decision tree analysis, and correlation. With this, we come to a conclusion. Thank you.